Hello people, it's Ben from Elliott Wave, and today we're going to do Bitcoin. So before we get started, quick news. So my apologies if I was gone, but I've been in between sick and busy. And as you can see from my voice, not my mouth, sorry. So there has been, I forgot an adapter because I'm a fancy boy. I have a MacBook. So for my, let's say, my usual mic, I need a USB adapter and I forgot it at home. So I'm recording with just earbuds. So the audio for today's video is going to be pretty bad, but I'm going to get an adapter today. So next videos, and I will be resuming posting videos regularly. They will be back to good audio quality. So my apologies for that. And so today I'm going to cover Bitcoin, and tomorrow and the next days I'll just cover the indices, gold, and whatever, and then I'll just resume with the usual. So here with Bitcoin, without wasting too much of your time, it looks like, so I was forecasting a wave 4 of some sort. It looks like I was wrong, because it looks like this to me, to be honest. Gonna tell you why. So as we talked about many times before on the channel, it's the way I see it is either this or this, okay? So the way it's looking like, it's this, okay? Why? If this is the largest correction, look at this. It's basically almost as big already, okay? So let's actually measure it. You see, it's almost as large. So I strongly doubt it's this. I strongly doubt it's a 1, 2, especially as it would need to be a third with. So I doubt it. And so my preferred count from now on is going to be this one. Now, as I said, sorry, still have a bit of a cough. So you could put this wave 2 here. I like it here. It's whatever really, but I think the most important thing is identifying here 5 waves. And yes, it looks like it's the top is in place here. Now you may, okay, so large 4 done. Okay, so at this point, the way it is labeled, it would suggest this. Okay, primary. There you go. Let's make it purple and let's get rid of the brush. Okay, so the way it's looking like, I mean the way I have it labeled would suggest this, right? Okay, now you may ask, Barrett, what if this wave 5, need to unlock it, is here? Do you know what I'll tell you? It is possible. I guess it really depends on market conditions, really. I mean, to be fair, to have this in place, the way I see it, and this is just me, of course, we will need some very bad news on the just fundamental side, or whatever, like something bad, because it would be a major top in place. So we could expect like a 80% drop, go all the way down here, which is again 80%. So we would need some really bad fundamental news of some sort, you know, a war starting, which the way things are looking, it's getting pretty heated up. So obviously let's hope for the best. But unless you know, a very catastrophic event occurs, I think we can be safe with this. Now let's take a look at this. Now, as you can see, we're still on the daily. So as you can see here, 3 ways down, parallel trend channel, whatever. Now, yes, I have the sub account here, which I've been following just on the. There you go. I'm not cheating. Even though you guys don't know me, I don't like to just mark waves on a let's say little time frame, because that's when mistakes occur. So that's why I always do, you know, update basically once a week, once every 10 days. So here, this goes to the toilet. Okay. 5, 5, 1. Okay. So I'm gonna get rid of this because we don't need any more. This looks like 3, to be honest. So I mean, God, sorry, I forgot how to use training view. Something like this wouldn't be too, I mean, would kind of be possible. So equality has been passed. Let's look at 1.618. Now, if we want to work with numbers, 65 is the next big level. 80 would be the big one, okay? And to be fair, as you can see, we never really had a big, let's say some action, I like to call it this way, some action around 80, have we? We just went through it. So it's possible we now start to have some action around 80. If not, if we keep falling, 65 is the next one. Now, I wouldn't recommend, you know what, I won't say anything. Obviously, none of this was or will be ever financial advice. I was going to say I wouldn't recommend buying a falling knife, but I don't recommend anything. I just present Elliott Wave accounts. Awesome. So that's my disclaimer. I mean, the counter argument, you could say, it would be Barrett, but if this is wave 2, it would be, I mean, yes, lengthwise, it would be basically as long as this one, so, okay, it could be a higher degree, but it's taken much less time. My answer, you're right. So what is that? Possible is this is minor, ABC, and either, you know, either WXY or just a flat ABC, ABC, 1, 2, 4, 5 for wave C, okay? That looks like a phi. Yeah, mathematician me. So, and it would be ideal, to be honest, to go all the way down here, because wave 2 tend to end near the wave 4 1 less degree. So that would be wave 2 near the wave 4 1 less degree, okay? So this would be, let's say, the more of a bullish alternative. And what I just said, so A or W, B or X, C or Y for wave 2, this wave 2 here, would be kind of the more conservative scenario. Now, that is my best guess at the time being, which today is the 28th of February. What else? I don't really have any counts for now. I might take a look at it and see what I come up with. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. You can always join the Discord, so it's really free. Link is down below. Just beware scammers, and you can guys. I mean, the Discord is mainly for you guys. You just talk between you, if you want, obviously. I sometimes just take a look at it, but I don't really post. Not because I don't want to. It's just mainly I don't. I'm very strict on time with school and stuff and life. So that's about it. Any questions, you guys let me know. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe, leave a like, really helps. And sorry for the mic, I will be resuming, and I'll see you tomorrow.